Welcome back, folks of Great Living St. Lucia. Today I'm showing you all how the hybrid is working on a cloudy day charging the batteries. So far, bringing 34 watts. Is how much is coming in. 0 amps going to the battery. 120 volts. That's all the hybrid need to see for it to start charging the batteries. 120 volts for the MPP to start working. Battery 49.7. That's a cloud. That's how it is. It had been raining all night long. Only this morning the rain gave a little chance. So stay tuned for another part. I'll be posting another video later during the day to show you the performance of the inverter, how it works on a cloudy day. Goodbye.